Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we are opening up our first Loot Crate of the year. So here we go, our first Loot Crate of 2019. Now this turned up in December, but I'm pretty sure this is the November one. I could be completely wrong, wouldn't be the first time. And let's see what we've got. Okay, first thing we've got is a wearable of some sort, which I believe is, I'm going by the little logo in the back, is a Westworld t-shirt. If you like Westworld, I like the films, not so keen on the TV series. Nice design, nice colour, good start. And next up we have got a black box which doesn't give anything away as to what is inside there. So let's open it up. And it looks like it is something to drink out of. And this looks suspiciously like it is from Breaking Bad. Los Polos. There we go. That is our second item. Whether that's meant to be thermal or not, I don't know. This feels like it's plastic. And the next item up we've got, looks like it's a little figure. I can get it out of the packet of just a Walking Dead figure. That little sister from BioShock, maybe. Well, we shall find out when we check the spoiler card. There's our next item. And we've got our pin. Of course, it looks like a vat of radioactive waste. So there is our pin, and we have got, it looks like, 1, 2, 3 more items. Okay. And this looks like a set of Marvel prints. A set of Marvel Spider-Man prints. And we have got Spider-Man. And we have got Venom. We have the Green Goblin. And we have Carnage. Well, they're quite nice. Not sure what I'm going to do with the set of prints, but they're pretty cool. We've got a $60 gift card for somewhere called HelloFresh. I'm assuming if you live in the States that makes sense. I've never heard of the place. I don't know if we have any over here in Britain either. So a little gift card, and we have got our spoiler, our spoiler booklet, it looks like, which apparently is saying this is indeed the November Loot Crate, which is themed Laboratory. So let's have a flick through. Gosh. So yeah, this has turned into a lot bigger than the spoiler card we used to get. Okay, so what did we get? So yeah, we have our Westworld t-shirt. So we have got our Marvel prints, and yep, the figure is Little Sister minifigure from BioShock, and this is again is indeed from, well, not so much from Breaking Bad. Apparently this is from Better Call Saul, which is the spin-off series. And this is a reusable Los Pollos Hermanos cup. This is our Loot Crate Lab safety pin. Okay, those are the items from this particular loot crate, the laboratory loot crate, and we have also got some very nice artwork inside the crate there. So that is the first crate of this year, the laboratory loot crate. So if you want to go and check Loot Crate out for yourself, I will put a link in the description down below. They cost £24 a month if you go for the yearly subscription, and that includes getting them shipped over here to Britain. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up below. You can follow me on Instagram for photo updates, including these items here. And if you don't want to miss out on any future openings, unboxings, anything else I get up to, including opening any other loot crates, either the regular ones or the specialist ones, then hit the subscribe button. And hopefully I will see you in the next one.